This is Force 13's Australian Oceania Channel for Thursday the 21st of May, and the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre is now monitoring a tropical low in Vest 98S, and they have issued a tropical cyclone alert. Formation of a significant tropical cyclone is possible within 120 nautical miles either side of a line from 6.2 degrees south, 92.0 degrees east, to 9.6 south, 93.2 degrees east within the next 12 to 24 hours. Available data does not justify issuance of a numbered tropical cyclone warning at this time. Winds in the area estimated to be 20 to 25 knots. METSAT imagery indicates that a circulation centre is located near 6.6 degrees south, 92.1 degrees east. The system is moving south-southwest at 6 knots. Located 430 nautical miles northwest of the Cocos Island, animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery along with a SSMIS 91 gigahertz microwave image depicts a very broad low-level circulation centre with fragmented deep convection scattered around the periphery. Invest 98S is currently in a favourable environment with good poleward outflow, low 15 knot vertical wind shear and 29 to 30 Celsius sea surface temperatures. Global models indicate that the Invest 98S will track generally southward and then southeast, whilst consolidating and intensifying. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 20 to 25 knots, and minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be around 1,003 millibars, and the potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours changes from medium to high. However, the Bureau of Meteorology is also monitoring the system, and they have minimum central pressure around 997 millibars and clockwise winds forming. Bureau of Meteorology find a tropical cyclone outlook for the western region. Update of 1400 hours yesterday indicates that at 1300 hours local time, tropical low is located to the north of the western region, about 850 kilometres north-northwest of the Cocos Keeling Islands, and it's expected to be slow moving towards the south and enter the western region late today or during Friday. Whilst there is a low risk that it may develop into a tropical cyclone from today, it's forecast to adopt a more southeasterly motion on Friday, passing west of the Cocos Keeling Islands as it moves through the Indian Ocean towards northwest WA. It may approach the northwest of WA during Sunday, but it is unlikely to be a tropical cyclone by this time. Even if the system does not develop into a tropical cyclone, strong gale-force winds, heavy rainfall are possible at the Cocos Keeling Islands during Friday, early Saturday, as the system passes to the west. The Bureau of Meteorology will update this information around 1400 hours, and percentages remain low for the next 3 days. In addition to the tropical scene, we have a developing local weather scene. Details coming up. However, here's a look at the wind shear. The red is unfavourable, and it's going to be very interesting to see whether Invest 98S reaches tropical cyclone status. Here's a look at 24-hour shear tendency. A gale warning is now in place for the Bateman's Coast. Strong wind warning, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra and Eden Coast down there in New South Wales. 850 millibar vorticity, and let's see how it develops in coming hours. The gale warning will be in place for a Friday for the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Bateman's and Eden Coast. Here's a look at the upper level divergence, very healthy, around 40 to 50 knots. Gale warning will be in place Friday for the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Bateman's, Eden Coast. Strong wind warning, Sydney Coast waters and Macquarie Coast. Now here's a look at the track and intensity of the system. The HWRF is actually saying a category 1. Force 13 AU will continue to bring the latest information on this developing system, and our main channel will most likely start their coverage, but subject to what this system does. Now we have a look at a couple of models, and the GFS is only indicating 997 millibars. Now we have a look at the instability from 10 AM through to 2200 hours tomorrow. Bureau of Meteorology Victoria has cancelled the strong wind warning for the Central Coast, Central Gippsland and East Gippsland Coast. Strong wind warning, Tasmania, the southeast, southwest, central, west coast. Now we have a look at the 850 millibar level. It's winds. Information is extracted from the BSCH website. Information's at the bottom of the screen. Each of these images are free hourly. Current temperatures in the capital city. Sydney 17.2, Sydney 10.2 in Melbourne, 20.3 Brisbane, 9.7 Perth, 11.9 Adelaide, 11.4 Hobart, 9.4 Canberra, 26.8 up there in Darwin. And finally, at this point in time, a look at the rainfall across the next 8 days. Information, right hand side of the screen. This is a developing picture. Looks like New South Wales coastal region is in for some extremely strong winds. The Bureau of Meteorology has also issued a hazardous surf warning for some parts of the coastal New South Wales. Now stay tuned to the AU channel, more later on today.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.